In the previous video, we saw how to find the inverse of any linear function. In this video, we learned to find the inverse of any rational function that is of the form f of x equals ax plus b over c. Now, how do we do this? Let's look at an example. For example, if I'm given f of x equals 2x plus 7 over x minus 3, and I'm to find the inverse of the function. It's very similar to how we find the inverse of linear functions. What we do is that we equate all of this to y, we make x the subject of the equation, then we redefine our variables. Let's try that and see. Two x plus 7 equals y multiplying x minus 3. It's a cross multiplying, so that we get 2x plus 7 equals xy minus 3y. Making x the subject, we group all x's on one side, so 2x minus xy equals negative 3y minus 7. X can come out, we get y minus 2 negative equals negative 3 y plus 7 in a bracket. This negative takes care of this. We divide both sides by y minus 2, y minus 2. Such that this will take care of this, and x is going to be equal to 3y plus 7 over y minus 2. Then we find the inverse of the function by redefining our variables. So f of x inverse, which is f inverse of x, is going to be 3x plus 7 over x minus 2. Let's take another question. For example, f of x equals 4x minus 4 over 5x plus 6. This one too, we equate it to y. 4x minus 4 equals y multiplying 5x plus 6. From here, we have 4x minus 4 equals 5xy plus 6y. Grouping all x, you are going to get 4x minus 5xy equals 6y plus 4. Bringing x out, 4 minus 5y equals 6y plus 4. Dividing both sides by 4 minus 5y, 4 minus 5y. We're going to be getting this taking care of this, such that x is equal to 6y plus 4 over 4 minus 5y. So we redefine our variables and have f inverse of x being equal to 6x plus 4 over 4 minus 5x. As simple as it can be. Let's take another question on that. F of x is equal to 10 minus x over x plus 1. We should find inverse of the function. So we equate this into y, then we have 10 minus x equals y multiplying x plus 1. From here, we expand what is on the right hand side. So 10 minus x equals xy plus y. Grouping all x's, we have 10 minus y equals xy plus x, factoring x out. Afterwards, we're going to get, since x is out, we divide here by y plus 1. Y plus 1. This will take care of this, so that x will now be equal to 10 minus y over y plus 1. Then we redefine our variables and have f of x inverse, f inverse of x equals 10 minus x over x plus 1. Simple. You can try these questions on your own and comment your answer below. Let's see who had it right. See you in the next video. We'll be finding, or we'll be using a trick to find the inverse of any functions by simply looking at it. That is so simple and is so good. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed, and share it to your friends. We'll be sharing more math tricks and more math hacks to make your exams and your math life